To adjust the headlights, you'll either need a Phillips screwdriver, a 6mm hex bit, or Allen wrench, and some tape. And then you want to set your tire pressures all to the same. And then pop the hood, turn on the headlights, and create a reference point. I'm going where the light meets dark here so I can tell how far the beam's dropping. And then there's adjustment screw on either side that'll take that 6mm or a Phillips. And so I'm going to insert my tool here at a 12 o'clock position so that I can count my rotations. I'll do one full turn clockwise to see how far that drops the beam, and then do that on the other side. And then I went 2 full turns. I'm going to go try that out and see how that compensates for the leveling kit, and see if I can get people to quit flashing me. Appreciate you watching. I hope you like and subscribe.